Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in our last video, I have seen this comment. So the video was on this Vesta tutorial, creating a slab in Vesta. So here I have got this comment that can you create a supercell of this postcard using Vesta. So today I am going to show how to do this. So for that I'm going to open the postcard files that we have saved in that case. So here I'm opening this postcard and another postcard also, which we have saved after removing the duplicate atoms. So here is our Vesta software. So this is the postcard and this is after the cleaned postcard. Okay, so this is the slab that we have created along 110 plane, and here if you want to create the supercell of this slab, then very simply we can simply go to this edit unit cell. Then here in the transform matrix we can write whatever value you want to give. That way let me check with, we can also increase it any direction, no issue. It depends which direction you are giving your vacuum and all. Next click on apply, and here is the slab. Like this is the slab with a we have extended the slab along all the three direction. Okay, and this way one can do. And if you want to create the final slab, then along a particular side you need to add your vacuum. If you want to add your vacuum along Z or A, B or C, any direction, then you need to simply edit the postcard, and that postcard should be saved in the XYZ format. Then you can simply add the vacuum. So one thing I can also show you here also. So this is done. Let me undo this. Yeah, so this is the clean postcard, and now I'm going to save the same postcard file in the Cartesian coordinate so that we can add vacuum. Okay, so now I'm going to edit this postcard cart. So you can see that now all the coordinates are in the Cartesian format. Then here simply if you want to add vacuum along Z direction, so simply you need to suppose we have 7 here. Suppose if you want to add 15 or 20, simply you just need to, so here I am going to add 20. So I have kept only 27 value here. Now escape, then save the file. I'm going to open this file in Vesta so that we can see what is the change that we have made over here. You see that now this slab is having a vacuum of 20 angstrom along the Z direction, and these atoms are shown over here mainly due to the periodicity, that is periodicity of this particular cell. So this way we can build our slab, and we can also replicate the slab, we can also elongate it along any direction. So this way we can build a slab, and we can add a particular vacuum, like whatever amount of vacuum you want to add, you can also add that. Typically people add it to 15 to 20 angstrom. So here I have added 20. You can, okay, so this much for today's session, and thank you all.